Tonight, after being slammed with RSV patients for months, ICUs are now battling the next phase of the Tripledemic.
It's becoming flu.
Dr. Tom Balsazak is the chief clinical officer here at Yale New Haven Hospital.
How filled is this ICU on any given day?
100%.
100%. You're at capacity.
We are at capacity.
Today, the CDC estimated that so far this flu season in the U.S., there have been at least 13 million illnesses, 120,000 hospitalizations, and 7,300 deaths. The flu test positivity rate is about 25%. Last year at this time, it was less than 3%.
What would you tell someone who looks at what's happening and says, look, we have respiratory illnesses every winter?
I'd say that this year is different. This year is different because the volume of cases we're seeing is greater.
Across the country, public health officials are intensifying their preparations for a winter surge of the flu, COVID, and RSV. Today, New York City issued a health advisory strongly recommending but not mandating indoor masking this winter. LA is asking for the same as COVID hospitalizations in California have soared 150% over the past month.
You have a good nap?
In Reno, Nevada, Valerie Primo is grateful her 2-month-old daughter Emily, once seriously ill with RSV, is back home from the ICU.
That was when the thought of she might die crossed my head. It's really scary, especially for the little ones.
Back in Connecticut, Jennifer Barna has been a registered nurse for 20 years and never seen this many respiratory illnesses colliding at once.
It's hard for the staff, it's hard for patients, it's hard for families, so it's just a tricky, situation that we haven't seen before.
The CDC says that the flu hospitalization rate in the U.S. remains at its highest level in more than a decade.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.